Here at the crocodile farm, but for now nandito kami sa reptilian house pala, where you can see various snakes from Asian box to Asian leaf to Burmese python. Dami-dami po dito mga ahas. Where you can see the Burmese python. Yan po yung Burmese python. Medyo milky siya. Sa kabila naman, dark. Ayan. Snakes. And here, the typical color snake.
Nakita na ako pero nasa gobyerno.
Mas malaki yun.
Mas malaki yun.
Hindi mo matatalo.
Ito po yung mga kasama ko. Say hi to my vlog.
Hello po.
Hi.
And then, here you can see the turtle. It's quite small. And the other turtle there. Ooh.